Yeah, we outside. Sometimes there's seals up here. Yeah, you gotta think about us for a change, check. This is where you go, Chet. This is one of them. Fisherman's Grotto. There's another one you go to right here, Chet. The Abalone. And if you really want to sit down, they got the restaurant over here. Dope. Get some whale watching right here, chat. Oh damn, look, they're fighting, they're arguing. I don't know if y'all can see them. They're right there. You actually go on top right there. We'll probably go in a bit. More whale watching boats over here. Sometimes they pull in the boats right here. The fishing boats. Oh look, there's one right here. On the weekends it's full. And the restaurant's right here at the end of the pier. Oh. I thought it was a statue, that's a guy. Oh, look at the sea dogs. There's people all over. Sneak by. I look down with upside down. Always going up. What a big head. And look, that's me right there, chat, on my own. Recording these videos for you guys. There's supposed to be water on the boats and chat. Oh, damn, that was filled. It was upside down. Oh. We're at the wharf. There's actually a little trail all the way. It goes to Cannery, bro. The aquarium's over there. A couple of restaurants, stuff like that. You can actually follow. There's a path that goes all the way to like Pebble Beach area, Pacific Grove. A lot of people watch the sunset over there. I should definitely come out here, chat. Alright, let's go ahead to Clam Chatter. See if we see anything on the way back. Same thing. Here's the original Cannery chat. You guys want to go inside? Alright, you guys got it. What a Laffy Taffy. What a Taffy. Candy. How good, you? That's where I go, chat. Got a jacket, make forget one. I think the store's been here too. No, it hasn't. I lied. Built it. I'm gonna show you guys this house right here. Look. This says custom house. Let me show you something. No, damn chat, they closed it. But I could show you guys something that I saw. You also got a lot of vendors like as you're walking up that area. And then there's like ice skating rink over here during Christmas. But look, I saw this door, right? Chat, I don't think they had these kind of locks back in the days. Nice lock. They have ice skating rink right here. More stores over there. You follow the whole road. They have farmers markets, I don't know what day, but they shut down the whole street. It's pretty cool. Got the history. Me walking. You're welcome, chat. Alright, chat. So there's one here. Century Garden. I want to see if I can ring the bell. Oh, there's a guy. It don't matter, chat. It's for my 5 likes. Something about the bell. Earthquakes of San Fran mission. Potato. A ver, ¿sirve? Alrighty. Just gonna do what this guy's doing, you know, blend in. Oh yeah. Picture. Picture. Yep, I'm definitely a photographer, chat. Run through the garden. It's pretty cool, actually. I've never been through this area. Damn. It's misty in here. Oh, water's over there. Go this way. The water's crying. I mean, the rock is crying. There's water. Can you guys hear it? Chat, does it look aesthetic or what? Should I apply for National Geographic? Alright. We can do a drive-by of Cannery Row. This is just down the street. There's a restaurant right here, El Dorito. Expensive Mexican food. There's a little beach area right here you can walk at. And then they actually have, I believe, a Ghirardelli shop right here. Somewhere. No, it's right there. Right there. Before the sign. There actually used to be Johnny Rockets right here, chat. More places, people walking. So there used to be a Johnny Rockets here, chat, and I just remember one time during high school we went to go eat. And obviously in high school you're kind of broke, so we went with a couple friends, and when we paid, I think we all had like 20 bucks each, and the bill came out to like $19.98, and the guy just came, look, bubble gum right here, chat. Run, Forrest, run. And the waiter came, we had 20 bucks, we're like, here. And then we told him, you can keep the change. And then I think he already knew or something, but like, what, let me guess, 2 cents? And we were just laughing. Yep, I was sorry, chat, it was hilarious at the time. They have like a little putt-putt area, I forgot to tell you guys right there. You got crepes right here and coffee right before you go to the aquarium. Here's the Monterey Bay Aquarium, chat. And then like here's the trail continued. See people on the bikes. Goes all the way over there. But I gotta stop right here, chat.